Meantime, we're learning new details about the Venezuelan man detectives say led troopers on a chase yesterday, ending in a crash in an Orange County neighborhood. Court records show he's been in and out of jail since 2019 on felony charges. West 2's Justin Shecker live at the Orange County Jail today. And Justin, what else have you learned while investigating this?
Well, Jesse, the judge set this suspect's bond at $7,500 for his burglary charge, but he'll remain in this jail because he has 3 holds, 2 of which are immigration related. And those court documents also tell us his arrest stems from an investigation into the transnational criminal organization Tren de Aragua.
And you've got an immigration charge of committing a felony after having been previously removed.
With headphones on to hear a Spanish interpreter, Diego Cardenas Osorio appeared before a judge Thursday afternoon from inside the Orange County Jail. The prosecutor told the judge,
"So looking at the allegations that he is a member of a gang, that he is illegal and therefore has no ties to the area."
Florida Highway Patrol arrested the 23-year-old Venezuelan man on multiple charges Wednesday in Orlando after leading troopers on a chase that ended with him crashing his car into a fence at this woman's home off South Orange Avenue.
I guess that you are not safe anywhere. Because like normally your house is your safe spot, your safe place.
Cardenas Osorio tried to get away, but he didn't get far.
Look at all the tools and everything. I mean, he could have just went into the house, bust inside the house. So, yeah, this is scary.
He faces a burglary of an occupied dwelling charge for hiding in Daniel Delgado's shed before troopers arrested him.
Given the facts of the case, I believe he was allegedly fleeing at the time. It's not the normal burglary, so I just ask that you consider that instead at $5,000.
According to the arrest affidavit, the pursuit began after troopers spotted him leaving a suspected gang-related residence in Orlando, where FHP, FBI, and ICE conducted surveillance. The report says it was in connection to a Clearwater Beach police investigation into the criminal gang Tren de Aragua. Court records show Cardenas Osorio has been in and out of the Orange County Jail since December 2019. He was arrested 3 times on felony charges. In each of those cases, prosecutors under state attorneys Aramis Ayala, Monique Worrell, and Andrew Bain filed notices saying the case is not suitable for prosecution, and if in custody, the defendant should be released. And the state attorney's office sent West to a statement that reads in part, "This is a good illustration no matter who the state attorney is at any given time, the individual prosecutor can only move forward with their decision to prosecute if they have evidence to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt." And I've also reached out to ICE asking for more information about when this Venezuelan man was previously deported, but I've yet to hear back. Covering Orange County Live in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, West 2 News.
And we did some digging and found some data from Orange County Corrections showing from July 1st to July 23rd, there were a total of 746 bookings with ICE detainers. That includes both local and non-local charges. An Orange County spokesperson tells West 2 the corrections chief is in communication with the U.S. Marshal's Office. Commissioners indicated at last week's meeting they want to modify what's known as an IGSA. They want that agreement with the federal government changed so the jail would no longer hold immigration detainees from other jurisdictions.